Hey guys, this is Mr. McKee again with Net 126. I wanted to show you guys the Packet Tracer 6.3.3.6 configuring router on a stick Inter-VLAN routing. Alright, so pretty simple, straightforward setup. You got a router up here, got a switch, got two PCs. PCs are on different networks, different VLANs. We want to be able to let those talk together. Alright. Looking up here, dressing table, router. We're going to do some sub-interfaces. Those are our IP addresses we're going to use for the sub-interfaces. PC1, PC2. Notice they're on different default gateways, different networks. Alright. So I'm going to skip through the ping between the PC1 and PC2. I'm going to get down to here. Try to save time with the video. Alright, so go after you guys have done simulation mode, go back to real-time mode, which is right here, and create VLAN 1 and VLAN 30 on S1. So CLI, enable configure terminal. Let me move this over some. Oh, VLAN 10, VLAN 30. Alright, and actually just to make it just like the screen, let's go ahead and rename those. VLAN name for VLAN 30 is going to be VLAN 0030. Alright, let's go to exit. Let's go to VLAN 10. Name is going to be VLAN 0010. Okay, let's exit that. Show VLAN brief. There's our VLAN 10, VLAN 30. Alright. Looks just like that. Alright. So test connectivity between PC1 and PC3. Ping should still fail. Why are the pings unsuccessful? Let's try ping. Oh, that's on 172.17.30.30.10. Alright, did we miss anything? Let's think. Real time, Odin create VLAN 1 and VLAN 30. Alright, assign VLAN to ports. Okay, we didn't do that. Alright, let's go back. So, on S1, F11 is going to be on that one right there. So interface F011. So let's do configure terminal. Interface F011. Oh, actually, I take that back. Let's do switch port mode access. Switch port access. VLAN 10 and interface F06 switch port mode access switch port access 30. If you look up here, the way they name the number of the IP addresses, 172.17.10.10, that's on the 10th VLAN, and then 172.17.30.10, that's on the VLAN 30. So that makes it a little easier to manage. Alright, so we're there. What else do we have? Alright, so we've assigned these to VLAN. Show VLAN brief. Let's end out of that. Show VLAN brief. Now VLAN 10 has FA011 and 30 has FA06. And this is where I named it or labeled it the VLANs. Alright, so that was good. Ping still shouldn't work. We'll let it time out one time, or actually 2 times, and then break out of it. Alright, Control C. Alright, so configuring subinterfaces. Configure subinterfaces on R1 using the 802.1q encapsulation. Create a subinterface gigabit 0010 on the router. Alright, so enable configure terminal interface. Let's see. They want to get interface 200.10. I'm going to tab over encapsulation .1q10. Alright, IP address is up here for 10. There's your address for, actually right there. That's your IP for PC1. IP default gateways are what we're putting in. Alright, we're giving it a default gateway address. 172.17.10.1. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Enter. Alright, and the other interface is going to be interface giga 00. So both of these are on subinterfaces on this interface right here. That's going to be 30. Encapsulation .1q 30. IP address is going to be 30 right there, and that corresponds to this default gateway. Alright, make sure that's good. Hit enter. Alright, so still got red circles. Alright, or red dots. Let's go down here. Okay. Show IP interface brief. So let's exit out of this. Always type exit. I should type end to go all the way back. Alright. Show IP interface brief. Alright. See how the gigabit 00 is down. Alright, so we need to bring that up. And both subinterfaces are down right here. Down, and down. Reason being, subinterfaces are virtual interfaces that are associated with a physical interface. Therefore, in order to enable subinterfaces, you must enable the physical interface. So to enable .10 and .30 of gigabit 00, we have to do config terminal interface gigabit 00 and a no shutdown. Alright, we get all this stuff immediately. Interface is up, protocol is up, gigabit 00, subinterface is up, links up. Both of those interface end lines up, and interface gigabit 00.30, and its links up and its protocols up. So everything's good. And that's going to converge now. Alright, so I got 55 out of 60. I wonder what I didn't do. Let's think. One thing I didn't do. Alright, so test connectivity in inter-VLAN routing. Ping from PC1, ping PC3. Alright, still not working. Wait till I get 2 request timeouts. Control C to break out of that. Alright. Enable trunking. On S1, issue the show VLAN command. Alright, so here's all your VLANs. Alright. Because the router was configured with multiple subinterfaces assigned to different VLANs, this switch port connected to the router must be configured as a trunk. Enable trunking on interface gigabit 01. Alright, so we need to do that. So and that's gigabit 01. Alright, put that on a trunk line. Alright, Control C to get out of that. Configure terminal. Interface gigabit 01. Switch port mode trunk. Okay, now that lines up. Okay, make sure it's up. And let's go back to look at the VLAN. Let's do end, show VLAN, brief. Alright, gigabit 01's gone. Still got gigabit 02, that's fine. Those two are on VLANs, 2 interfaces. Alright, so we need to look at the show interfaces trunk. Alright, gigabit 01, mode's on, encapsulated, doing trunking. Alright, so now we should be able to ping through 2 networks. Let's go back. See if I can do this. Page up, or history. Alright. First time out is doing the ARP translation, and then we get successful pings. Now if we do it again, we've already translated the ARP, so we get all 4 replies. Alrighty, got 60 out of 60. All you guys got to do is do a screenshot making sure you got 60 out of 60. It's good to go through here and answer these questions also, and do this, the simulator just to see how your protocol data units are moving across the network. But something like this, not too bad. There's a lot more to it than it seems though, but it's not too bad at all. Alright, thanks for watching.